So I wanted to share something with you today that I learned about 12 years ago. I am very, very tough on myself, especially when it comes to the speed at which I learn or the speed at which I develop a skill. And I've seen with so many coaching clients that it's the same thing, as well as with participants and team developments. We are so extremely tough on ourselves. And the visual that I got 12 years ago while I was being coached by a very dear friend of mine, Judith, I want to share it with you to help you to also get over it if you are that person that is so extremely tough on yourself. What does it look like? So you can see here, it's time as time passes, and then the development of our own capabilities, abilities, development, whatever you want to call it. Now, the idea is, or our expectation on ourselves, is that we develop at a massively fast pace. But we go up and up and up, and we just learn something, we need to implement it, and we need to be good at it immediately, whether it is leading people, whether it is building PowerPoint slides, or doing public speaking. If you toughen yourself, you learn something, you want to be able to be brilliant at it immediately. However, what I realized in that coaching session is that it doesn't work this way. For me, visually, what it looks like is that I develop and then I get stuck. And then I develop again, and then I get stuck again, and develop and stuck, and develop and stuck. And this continues. It might not always be about the exact same topic, but say, for instance, under the topic of leadership, is that you get to one point of being able to lead 2 people. Now your team grows. Now you get to a point where you now need to lead 5 people, and then there's personality dysfunctions in it, etc. It goes on. Public speaking, building PowerPoint presentations, it's the same thing. And what I realized that day is that this area here of being stuck is not so much of being stuck. It's me spending time getting better at that specific skill that I'm learning. So it is me doing research. It's me grappling with it, making mistakes and doing things over and over again until I get it right. In other words, what's actually happening, and I want to write it down, is that these areas, credibility, is the space where I can get so good that my credibility on that specific topic is increasing. And that's what I want you to walk away with from today, is not to look at development in this very harsh way, that it needs to follow a straight line and it needs to be fast. Give yourself the space to learn and to really embrace what it is you are learning, because that's when you can build, for example, your 10,000 hours and become the expert. But you have to go through these feelings of stuckness so that you can be really, really good at what it is that you are doing. I hope this helped. Chat soon.